If one of my friend or family member had get sick, so what I try to cook is plain food and a lot of nutrition. How can be plain and nutrition? So I'll show you today. Basically it's like you use all the vegetable like carrot, pumpkin, kale, spinach, whatever. You boil it together and add some rice. And I use some Mexican kale, and I use some papaya too, like almost ripe papaya. You can use raw, like green papaya or ripe papaya, because papaya has an enzyme good for stomach. And then you can add the chicken or pork or any like meat, protein you want. If you don't want to, you can stay just plain with the rice and vegetable. And then you seasoning with salt. That's it. But to make it quick, so you boil some certain until they're soft, and then you blend it with the blender and you pour it back in the pot, and then you keep stirring and simmer like this. And this time I also add some garlic and the fresh garlic, fresh ginger. So it doesn't look that good, guys, but it helps so much when you feel sick and you get cold and you get food poisoning, because all nutrition is here and it's plain. The vegetable itself is make the taste sweet, and also had a lot of high vitamin. And that's it. This is my trick when I get sick or something, or somebody in my house gets sick or food poisoning. If my husband or today my friend got food poisoning, so that's what I'm making for him. All right, this is ginger. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.